Hey, hello friends. So now what is the remaining part of this application is like when we have submit on this button, then we have to submit this all the values from the steps, and we have to reset the step to 1 so that the first component will load with the empty inputs. So let's do that. So what we have to do on the third step, when we click on this submit button, submit data function, we will call this step context submit data, as we have passed this into the provider, and here we have bring that in with the help of use context hook, and from here we are calling this, and from here it will call this one. So in that, what we have to do, whatever the data we have in user data variable, means we have completed all the step, we are on third step, we have added all the fields, then you can see on the third step till the end of the last, we are sending as a, or we are calling as a set user data function. So the set user data function, whatever the data we have added with the help of this function, it will be storing in the user data variable. So what we will have to do, we have to put this all the data from the steps inside the set final data. So let's do that. Set final data, and inside that final data, what we have to do here, like final data user data. And what we have to do next, set user data as a empty, so that our text fields will get empty. And what we will have to do then, let's check it this first. So let's put some random data, telephone something, contact, then email, and country India, district Pune, city also Pune, then landmark near to temple, then the postcode, anything. So let's open the console and let's go to the component, and inside that we have step component. As you can see, for all the fields we have the values, and this last one, the statements, this one is the last one, this one is the second one, which is filled by the text field values, and this one is the step. So let's submit it. Let's check. Yeah, now we are on step 3, and we have the second useState variable empty array, and the third one we have all the data on the third one, but we have some issue, like our text field are not empty, and it is not redirected to, or it is not come to the first step as we want. So let's check that. So for that we have to call set step function, and we have to pass the step as 1 so that it will be come to the first step. So let's check it. I'm typing as the same data again, any contact number, email, anything, country, India, this Pune, Myanmar, then postal code, anything. Let's open the console panel. Let's open so if I submit now, yeah, now you can see whatever that we want, we are on, we are on the empty fields and we're on the first step, and the data is in the last hook variable, useState variable. So let's add one more data. It's like Suraj, and the surname is Kade, and the contact number is 123 anything. You can see the whatever the values we are entering, it is coming here. Now step is 2, we are on step 2. If I go back, state is 1, because on this click we have added the set state method. So let suraj@xyz.com, country same, India, district Solapur, then city again Solapur, landmark near to Ganesh Path, and the last one the postal code in. So now you can see we have the current values, means the current fields values on second step, second useState variable, and if I submit it, yes, it is redirect to, or it is coming on the first step, and well the text fields are empty, and we have the two arrays on the third the final data, means this one is the final data. So guys, this is what we want to do, but the still we have some pending action, like we have to show the whatever data we have added on this application, we have to show below to the this form. So let's do that. So we will do that in the next video.